Drain the cassette toilet. Drain the cassette latest when the LED is illuminated. The gate of the cassette toilet should always be closed and should only be opened when you want to use it. Open the outer lid and pull out the cassette. Empty the cassette only at the provided disposal point. Place it vertically and unscrew the cap of the drain nozzle. Turn the cassette with the drain nozzle down and press the ventilation button to drain the cassette. Subsequently flush the cassette several times with water and add a sanitary additive. Push the cleaned cassette back into the compartment until the fixing clamp latches.